Welcome back. The SGX Nifty has extended its slide. It's now down close to about 95 points. When we started Bazaar at 8 a.m., the SGX Nifty was lower by 25 points. So there is more weakness in store, at least in opening trade. Currently down close to about 0.5%. In fact, most of Asia is under pressure. Hang Seng is down close to about 1%. Taiwanese markets have a red tinge. They're down about 0.7%. So there is weakness across the Asian market screen as well, barring Nikkei, where Bank of Japan has done some intervention, some changes and tweaks in the Bank of Japan policy meeting. So that's fueling the rally that you can see in the Japanese market. But X of that, the Asian market screen is red and the SGX Nifty has sunk a bit lower. But as we have lack of short-term fundamental triggers, it's all about the momentum in individual stocks. So let's get to our momentumizer. Vivek is here with his stock. Vivek?
Well, good morning. One particular stock that we have on our radar is an auto ancillary company. It's called Mahindra CIE. Now, this particular stock, just having a look at the stock tracker or the stock movement, this particular stock technically is trading about 50, 100 as well as 200 DMA. The stock is up 16% in the last 3 trading sessions, and in 2022 itself, it's up almost 42%. So clear outperformance seen over there. And let's see what's been the trigger, that's actually led to the rally in the last couple of trading sessions. Number one, remember this particular company is a listed subsidiary of a global automotive major CIE Spain. India, however, remains a major focus of operations for this particular company. And interestingly, Mahindra & Mahindra, that lends its name to the company, holds almost 9.25% stake in the company. On 14 December, the management said that they're looking to hive off the German truck forging business, and they have started actively looking for buyers for that particular business. And also, along with that, they've also said they're looking to change the name of the company to CIE Automotive India Limited. So we spoke to a couple of analysts to get a sense of, why this particular announcement has been made. A main reason that analysts say it's a positive trigger given the fact that the German truck forging business actually had a single-digit margin and was a drag as far as the return ratios were concerned. Also, what they said, the business had been scaled down of late. The other important trigger for this particular company, for a re-rating as per analysts, is that what exactly does Mahindra does with its remaining stake. So it's going to be an important stock and an important development to track as far as this particular name is concerned.
Okay, Vivek, thank you very much for that. Dipan, any thoughts on Mahindra CIE Auto? Vivek was just telling us fundamentally the India business, which is exposed to the passenger vehicles, the MHCV, that's doing well. But it does have the risk of what happens to EU if there is going to be a recession. So fundamentally, your thoughts on Mahindra CIE?
Yes, I think I echo that same concern, that because a large portion is coming from Europe and we are seeing things just not stabilizing in the key market for them, it's better to avoid Mahindra CIE. I'm very positive on auto ancillary, but I would prefer to go for companies which are focused largely on the domestic market, especially on the electrical, electronic side. Companies like Uno Minda, Minda Corp, Sona, BLW, I think these are all very interesting companies, and they are not really impacted by the surge of EVs. So I prefer to go with those companies rather than Mahindra CIE, which has got not only exposure to the European market, but some amount of exposure to engine components as well.
Thank you very much for joining us this morning. Let's move on. We're awaiting the pre-market opening rates. But as we do that, let's talk about market laser.
Rima,